Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix an unidentified error occurred on PS5. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So when encountering an unidentified error on PS5 or PlayStation 5, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve the issue. So here's a list of potential solutions. First, restart your PS5. Begin by performing a simple restart of your console. Press and hold the power button on the front of the PS5 until the system turns off completely. Wait for a few moments, then press the power button again to turn it back on. Second, check for system updates. Make sure your PS5 system software is up to date. Go to the Settings menu, select System, and then choose System Software. Check for any available updates and install them if necessary. Next, check your internet connection. Ensure that your PS5 is properly connected to the internet. Verify your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection settings in the Settings menu under Network to ensure they are accurate and functioning correctly. If using a wireless connection, try a wired connection to see if the error persists. Next, clear cache. Power off your PS5 and unplug the power cord from the back of the console. Wait for a few minutes, then reconnect the power cord and turn on the console. Clearing the cache can sometimes resolve various software-related issues. Next, rebuild database. Boot your PS5 in safe mode by turning off the console. Then press and hold the power button until you hear two beeps, which should take about 7 seconds. Connect a DualSense controller via USB and select the Rebuild Database option. This process may take some time but can help resolve system problems. Next, reinstall the game or application. If the unidentified error occurs with a specific game or application, try deleting and reinstalling it. Navigate to the game or application on your PS5 home screen, press the Options button on your controller, and select Delete. Then, visit the PlayStation Store or your library to re-download and reinstall the game or application. And the last one, contact PlayStation support. If none of the previous steps resolve the issue, it is recommended to contact PlayStation support directly for further assistance. They may be able to provide additional troubleshooting steps or specific guidance based on the error code or description. Remember to keep your PS5 system software and games updated to the latest versions, as software patches often address known issues and improve stability. Okay? So that is how you fix when you are encountering an unidentified error on your PlayStation 5. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!